Hello, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the Woodburn School Virtual Checkout. You can find the virtual checkout on our school homepage by going to the Woodburn Staff Resources and then clicking on the virtual checkout link. And so this is just a reminder to please use the Google Chrome web browser when you're working with this Google site. Some of the pages you will not be able to edit properly using Internet Explorer. The virtual checkout is divided into four main sections: the home section, end of year instructions section, the forms section, and then down below here the placement forms section to group students and classes for next year. So I'm just going to run through each section really quickly. In the home section, that's where you'll find the end of year memo. The end of year memo has all the dates that you can use to keep track of. Some of them are just information for you to know. Others are actions for you to complete. We've tried to, whenever possible, to include links to some of the actions for your convenience. In the section below it is the end of year instructions. We've divided up into three main areas: library, reading room, and technology. So here you can find, it's basically a summarized section of the end of year memo just for that particular category. And we've done that for library, the reading room, and technology. Please note for the reading room that there is a link, actually a PDF right here that contains some tasks for the reading room. Our third section is forms to complete. Now, this is basically self-explanatory, but if you're new to this, you click on the link, and then a form is what we can use to collect information from you, specifically here your AV inventory if you have that in your classroom. So this is a window to what the form looks like. If you want to open the form, down below each of these windows that you'll find here is a link to actually open up the form on the web. And so you can enter in your information, and then when you're finished entering it, click submit. And that will fill up a spreadsheet that certain people who need access to it can find your information and keep it organized. And so we have all of these here. Classroom checkout. This is where you can keep track of all the things that you need to do in your classroom. And then a couple other highlights here. I want to note that there are different links for various situations for your laptop. This one right here is a final loaned laptop. So if you are not returning, if you're leaving Woodburn, then you would fill in this information and then turn your laptop to me or Kevin. This one down here is your summer laptop form. The summer laptop form is what you can use to sign out your laptop over the summer. We also want to make note that we're asking this year, because of some mandatory upgrades we need to make, that you can use this link to sign up for have your laptop reimaged. So we try to be very flexible and include a lot of different dates throughout the summer because some of you need it for professional development. So there we have the laptop. And then finally, just to end the highlights, this is where you can sign up for your classroom checkout, where you can make an appointment with the administrator to come and check out your room. Alright, so that's it for the forms. And you can check out, I didn't go over all of them, but you can check out some of them at your own convenience. And then finally, this section is an area we use to collect data from you, demographics for your students for this year. And so we can use that information to create classrooms for next year. And as you can see down below, that has its own tutorial. It is exactly the same process we used last year, so if you want a refresher or if you're new to the process, you can check out this video to find out more about that. So this concludes the video tutorial about how to use the virtual checkout. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.